Kitchen 101. There's no need to invest in a dehydrator to preserve fresh seasonal produce. You can use your oven. Start by washing fresh, ripe fruits. Remove stems, seeds, pits, and cut away any bruises. Cut or slice them into even-sized pieces. Keeping the pieces the same size helps with more even drying. Place all your fruit in a single layer on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Heat your oven to 175 degrees. Bake for 4 to 12 hours. Make sure to check at 3 hours. It's also a good idea to rotate your pans since ovens, even at low temperatures, have hot spots. The time it takes for fruit to dry depends on how big the pieces are and how much moisture is naturally in the fruit. Thin slices of apples will likely be dry in about 4 hours, but whole-pitted cherries could take at least twice that long. Allow fruit to cool completely before storing. Some dried fruits could still have enough moisture to cause mold growth if left at room temperature for long periods of time. For the longest shelf life, store fruits in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer. See you next time!